Yeah, g'day there guys and girls. Just another quick update. One of my really good mates, Ringy, happened to have a couple of rear doors to suit a sedan, which is freaking awesome. So I can use those and use bits and pieces from those to get a decent set for my car, for the HQ, which is freaking awesome. And he also has a front floor section for the passenger, which is rust free. So I'll be able to use most of that piece to put into my car to pretty much get rid of all the rust on the floor section. So that's freaking awesome. So yeah, he'll be here in a minute and I will send you guys a couple of pics and more videos of those. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and some more car pics and videos will be coming along very soon. Thank you for now. Cheers. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, the man, the myth, the legend, Ringy himself has just turned up with the doors and the rust repair sections. So we'll get to see those really soon. And here he is, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ringy.
What's going on, big guy?
How you doing, mate?
Yeah, good, mate.
So yeah, rust repair section and some doors in the back of his car.
Yeah, they keep you out of trouble.
Oh, yeah, or keep me in trouble. Depends if the missus finds out what this shit's costing me.
That's alright. See how I go to the house, tell the missus I'm dropping parts off.
Oh, well, hang on, we'll have to delete that off here, mate. We don't want them to know that.
No.
Oh, look at that, guys and girls. Look at that. Oh, mate.
Better than reproduction.
Absolutely. I reckon the nice ones aren't as clean as this.
That should reach when you need.
Absolutely. That is freaking perfect. Fuck yeah. I mean, whoops. Yeah.
All the mechanicals in it.
Nice.
Of course, it's got rust, but
A 1970 something door. What doesn't have rust in it?
that's right.
Man, I'm freaking made in the 70s and I got rust in myself.
This is sentimental value. This door, I've had this door floating around for probably 25 years.
25 years holding on to one door.
Actually bought it, ripped off the sedan I had bought around this area. Actually,
I normally hold on to the whole car instead of one door, but you know, whatever works. Some people have their own personal preferences. Oh yeah, that is going to help the build along really nice.
yeah, I reckon you're going to have to do it safely.
Yeah.
Right back out there, get another panel for it, or make one.
Yeah, definitely. I've got quite a few doors there which we can cut bits and pieces off and things like that to help.
Frames are really pretty good.
Yeah,
The bronze one, it needs work down the bottom, but
it's got glass in it. That's a bonus. It's got the
that's-
rear sections of glass.
yeah, and the tops too, if you want to exchange them for
Absolutely.
reproduction.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here on the passenger floor, the yeah, it's a little bit religious down there. It's very holy. But as you guys know, Ringy dropped around a rust repair section, and here it is here. Now, look at that, just dropped it in, and pretty well damn perfect fit. A little bit of trimming up and cutting out the old floor, and yeah, drill out the old spot welds on the old floor, weld in this new piece here, and look at that, all the rust will be gone. So once again, Ringy, you're a lifesaver, pal. Alright, now back to the arse end. As you can see, I still have not welded in the rear floor footwell, but the back section where the back seat sits is almost in all the way. I have a little bit more to do on there. Shut up, idiot. Dogs, gotta love them. Now, I have pretty much welded in 80% of that in there. I have the end caps to go on there and a couple of little spots. Tiny little bit of rust down there and a bit on the other side. And I've got a small patch piece to do over there. Now, once all that's in, then I'll concentrate on getting the footwell done for the rear floor. Then I won't need to worry about doing the floors anymore. That'll be done. Then I'll be able to go on to something else in the car. We'll get the car body up on the rotisserie and grind up underneath the car where it needs to be grounded up, where I've done the welding. And then we'll be able to paint it underneath with a bit of underbody sound deadening paint. I don't know, whatever you call that shit. And yeah, so this section will be done, but once again, Ringy is a lifesaver for that bit there. Oh, mate, thank you. It's even got the original drain plug and the screws still in it, which, yeah, as you can see, it's why it's not sitting down just a little bit at the front, because it's still got the screws in. But yeah, that is perfect size. Thank you. As I said earlier about these old cars, you can still get parts for them. There's lots of them out there still. You can get the brand new nice parts and panels, but sometimes they're not a perfect fit. Genuine is always better, but it's done. So, finish the rear section off, finish the front bit off, and the footwell for the back seat passengers, because apparently they need a floor. Driver's side's fine, you know, don't need to worry about them. But yeah, the passengers and the rear people, they need a floor apparently. You know, who would have thought? So anyway, guys and girls, that's a little bit of an update for you. I will show you more progress very soon. Thanks again. Bye.